Hi guys, I am back with part 2 of the Harris Museum video. For those of you who don't know, check out part 1 where I talk about, well, a little bit about this dress that I'm making. Don't want to give too much away, so go watch that video. So part 2 of the series is pattern cutting. I think this is probably the most crucial part of designing and making any garment, but also at the same time it's the hardest and my least favorite part because it's very technical. It involves a lot of calculations, math, trial and error. It can be fun, but it can also be very stressful. I have started the pattern cutting process, so I've got some pre-made sample sizes that I usually base my designs off, and then when the customer gives me more measurements, I'm able to adapt that block or that size to their measurements. The actual mannequin hasn't arrived at my house yet, but it will hopefully be arriving in the next couple of weeks, which is exciting until it does arrive. I've got to use the measurements that I've been given, and hopefully those measurements and my calculations will be correct. Fittings are so important. As a designer, you want to make sure you get the fit right, but the more you practice it and the more accurate the measurements are from customers, from the mannequin that I've been given, the better the results will be straight away. So yep, without wasting any more time, I'm actually going to just start draping the pattern on the mannequin. Test run complete, and overall I am pretty happy with the results. I think that I'm going to do a toile, which is basically a fake mock-up version of the actual dress in some cheap fabric, just to get a feel of how it will move, how it's going to work. The one thing that I think I might have to figure out is the shoulder seam. So there's a slit in the front and the back, and it's just about trying to figure out how to match those up. So that's something that I think is going to need a bit of trial and error working out. Might also open this V at the front up a little bit more, but yeah, so far so good. So I'm excited. I'm really excited to see this in fabric. In paper it does not do it justice, I don't think. So yeah, looking forward to where this goes. And yeah, this is part 2, so stay tuned for part 3. And for those of you who don't actually know what's going on, check out the part 1 video. I'll try and link it somewhere here so you can watch that and actually find out all about the project that I'm working on right now. Thanks so much for staying up to date, and also I can't wait to show you guys stage 3. So speak to you soon.